Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Flowstep AI. In order to do so, here we are at flowstep.ai. And what is Flowstep all about? Well, you can turn your thoughts into beautifully crafted designs, iterate faster, design better. Let's go ahead and take a look at the homepage here. And you can see here, this is an example of a fitness plan that you can design with Flowstep, amongst other things. So this just gives you an idea of what you can expect with Flowstep. Join 20,000 plus creative and design better products where your ideas find flow. And here we have the UI. You can generate detailed interfaces in seconds, wireframes, zoom from high level concepts to detail. User flows effortlessly map out complex flows, rapidly iterate and refine your design. Just see here gives you an example, an idea of what you can expect with Flowstep. So you can just make your designs that much easier using their AI tools. Got questions? We've got FAQ here. Add unlimited collaborators. It's free, no credit card required. Try now. Let's go ahead and click that. We're going to sign up. We're going to continue with Google. And with just a couple clicks of the button, we're ready to go. Let's get to know you better to personalize your experience. It only takes a minute. Let's get started. How will you use Flowstep? Primarily for work. Tell us about your work. Skillcraft AI. What is your role? Let's see here. We'll go with marketer. What's your design background? I'm going to go ahead and say expert at this point. That's it. You're ready. Flowstep is intuitive by design, so you don't need a tour. Let's start with these 3 simple steps. We're going to start creating. So press the / to start prompting. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. Okay, so there we go. So by pressing the / that's brings up our prompt box. Not sure where to begin. Here's some inspiration. Listing page wireframe for a real estate app. Settings page screen for a dating app. Password reset flow for a social media platform. Search and filter flow for an apartment renting app. Huh. Interesting, interesting. Let's just take a look here at the toolbar down at the bottom. We've got our select tool, hand tool. We can make comments. We've got different shapes, connectors, text, and we've got our prompt tool. So let's go ahead and come up with an idea here. Why don't we go ahead and we're going to stick with the workout plan. So let's go ahead and say that. Workout plan. We're going to go ahead and generate. This can take a moment. We're on it. So we'll just let Flowstep think here. And I notice up here that it says Copilot. So that leads me to believe that Flowstep is based on Copilot. Feeding pixels to the muse. Spinning up something fresh. Let's just give this a moment to think. Okay, and it's all done. So here we go. We have designed a rudimentary workout plan to begin from, and this looks pretty slick. So we have today's challenge, upper body strength, 45 minutes, 8 exercises, chest, arms, shoulders. Progress overview, we've got 11 days complete, 3 weeks streak. We've got an exercise list. We've got push-ups, dumbbell presses, shoulder presses, bicep curls, done, active, pending. 4 out of 5 workouts completed. Start current exercise, schedule, share. So this looks pretty smart here. So this is quite nice. Good place to start. And let's see here. So we'll just scroll down a bit. Okay. So then if we want to continue from here, let's go ahead and take a look up at the top here where it says untitled. So we're going to go ahead and rename that. Let's go ahead and call that our workout plan. Got a space there. So we can expand the prompt here. We can edit the original prompt. We can regenerate, duplicate, delete. I mean, this is all very straightforward. And let's see here. So select tool. So let's go ahead and use our select tool. So let's go ahead and try selecting a few things here. Okay, so it doesn't look like we can, it's like we can resize. And let's see, we can resize it that way. We could resize it that way. Let's see what happens if we select the hand tool. Okay, so then that allows us to move it around. We can make comments. Let's see about the rectangle. It's not letting me do anything here. Okay, so that brings that over there. So we can create rectangles and connectors. Let's see here. Okay, I see, I see. So that's another little tool that we can take advantage of. So this is still in beta. Let's go ahead and take a look at the sidebar. So this is where we can create our different projects. We can log out if we want to. And when we're ready to launch, we have our share up here. Let's go ahead and undo. We'll take that out. Let's go ahead and hit share. Share workout plan. Okay, so when we want to invite people to work on this with us, then we can do that here. But what I'm looking to do is I want to see how is it that we export this. See if we scroll down, will that give us anything? No. Come over here. Side click that. No. Okay. So just jumping in and trying this out. I mean, it's really quite nice what we've got here, but from here, where do we go from here? That's the question. I don't see any real uh, areas here to click to kind of move us on. So I think in order to progress further with this, we can do some more research, but this at least gives you an idea to get you started. So we'll go ahead and leave it at that. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for a new online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you check out the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account, and you can refer your friends and family and get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to start. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended.